Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kapor ding ha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular Bandung du bor ding ha nong kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Umentri barem kasoka pedeng baderu unong elam ka Congress Sachin pilot haka apoy tarik urempang ulakino baka BJP baka NPP kimshim na laban pendep ban pentrekam yekijin kula junki walakila dan haka bor porok sansnem abakran chikla pathai kubor hashlong pilot long balayai beteng mepinjin jare ka Meghalaya de kijing e jong jinki dor ki mar ki mata baka jing bam yo kam yo jam ulakino ek BJP baka NPP Halor ka Jingsynshar bam Ïaid be junki.
Potential that we have in the state has not been explored. I think every party, especially the last government, whether it's the BJP or the NPP or other partners, they were quite focused on how to politically realign themselves only to stay in power. The Congress, I think, is committed to enhancing the IT sector, the tourism sector, the economic growth, the investment, the job creation that young people in this city and this state are aspiring for. The BJP has been in government for the last 8.5 years in New Delhi. They had a government here. And the BJP always talks about this double engine sarkar. Well, they had the opportunity here where they had two governments and double engine. And yet, at the time of elections now, they have gone apart and are doing this finger pointing game. So the BJP stands totally exposed to my mind because while they were in government in Delhi and they had power here, they were not able to deliver to what the expectations were. And I think the expectations aren't something that cannot be fulfilled. But look at the way the issue of price rise and unemployment really has taken ground. The issue that we want to fight this election is on how the next 5 years can we curb inflation, create employment, and not just employment. Young people who are qualified often are underemployed. So they're technically qualified, are graduates and postgraduates, but are getting jobs that are below what their qualification should get them. So it's underemployment, unemployment, lack of investment.
Upaylat ulakam baka Congress kabala Jingsynshar ka jilla de ki babun snem kala ju pendep pentrekam ki jingkula jongka ba ula ongru baka ni ka kinhon mathamai hapo ka jingalam uba Vincent Pala kanman ra ka Jingsynshar ba bha hapo ka jilla.
The state has always had a leaning towards the Congress party. I dare say that most of the political leaders in the state, no matter where they are today, they have originally come from the Congress party because it is Congress and our leaders in Delhi which actually had the commitment and the willpower to create a state and to name it in such a beautiful fashion. So the relationship between the Congress party and the state of Meghalaya is generational. It's been there for decades, and now is a time of reckoning where people have many options. As you know, there are many parties which are trying to spread their wings into the state. There are many parties which are playing a game of who can be the power broker in the end. But the Congress party's long history, long association, commitment and performance.
Shushu pilot ulong balada Ïaid ban wan hagabor Congress kan penyang dang school ba ha kajilla kaban IT lut takaba pinlet jingmut kerpang Halor ki jingpuli ki ban pin kre ikinong puli nakabenta ka kam ka jam badu ban thau ko we kam nakabenta manla ka we pakawe ka long ying ha Meghalaya takabakan tiwe ka sengkam seng jam la jong ulapin pawdu ikima ba phe ki ba ka sengkat pin trekam haki benta kum ka jingjong akai pathai karab karyang ka digital marketing ki samla ba ka kamile kai sports pa ki we de.
Meghalaya TMC introduces Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Under this scheme, a direct transfer of Rs 1,000 per month, yearly Rs 12,000 will be made to a woman in every household as guaranteed income support.
This 27th February, press on the twin flower symbol and vote for Meghalaya TMC.